Zhangzhou OBRK Instrument and Equipment Company Limited. Main supply civil testing equipment for material testing such as concrete, soil, steel, cement and mortar, aggregates and rocks, asphalt and bitumen, and also distributed others general laboratory testing equipment. We are actively involved in China universities, polytechnics, and road development authorities projects. The challenges to turn the findings and research ideas of these customers into real functionable equipment enable us to accumulate our deep technical know-how in civil engineering equipment. In the international markets, our research and development team consistently research and further develop our products towards high accuracy, sustainability, user-friendly, easy for maintenance, and economical. Our products also comply to most of international standard, such as BS, EN, ASTM, and others. Our perform top level of lifelong technical support and excellent after-sales service to our customers. Our quick respond to our customers' request was successfully winning the customer's loyalty and reputation in the market. The development of state-of-the-art in-products planning and control ensure every products at high quality and tip-top customer satisfaction is our key of keep going supply the better and better products over time. Our product climate chambers has been certified by MD and EMC. We also can provide every customer OEM request. Any details about us or our products, please freely contact with us at any times.